Hello everyone, welcome to Math 241 Probability. And we're going to start with our first chapter, Combinatorial Analysis. The first topic is the basic rule of counting. Suppose an experiment consists outcome 1 and outcome 2. If there are n1 possibilities for the first outcome and n2 possibilities for the second outcome, then together there are n times 1 and 1 times n2 possibilities for the experiment. Let's look at a quick example here. A team of 1 boy and 1 girl is to be made from a group of 5 girls and 2 boys. So you're choosing 2 people, 1 boy, 1 girl from a total group of 7 people. There are 5 girls and 2 boys. Question is, how many different teams are there? Note that team A is different from team B if at least one player is different. So we can think of this forming a team as do an experiment, and we need to have 1 boy and 1 girl from the group of 7 people. So there are, you notice here, 5 different ways to choose 1 girl, or I should say 1 girl from the 5 different girls. So that will be the value of n1, because that's the outcome 1. And for n2, you will have 2, because you have 2 boys. So if we apply this basic rule of counting, you're going to have 5 times 2 equals to 10 possibilities for this experiment. In the context, will be 10 different teams here. And if you are to enumerate all of the possibilities, you can do G1, B1, G2, B2. And if you don't make any error listing all of the possibilities, it's going to come up to this 5 times 2 equals to 10. So this is the basic rule of counting, where you have only 2 outcomes for an experiment. Now let's try to generalize it. And generically, we suppose an experiment consists of different outcomes, and the ith outcome having n1 possibilities. Therefore, in total, there are n1 times n2 times ... times nr number of possibilities for this experiment. Notice the notation that we have on the right here. This is a product. So you can see that we are making the multiplication of n1, n2, ... nr. And so we use ni, and then the product is I from 1 to r. So we use this right-hand side as a simplified version of writing n1 times n2 times ... times nr. So this is a generalized rule of counting that you can have more than 2 outcomes for the particular experiment. And let's look at example for your exercise. How many different license plates are there? So for simplicity, we're going to assume you're only going to have 6 different positions for this, for any license plate. And the first 3 will have to be letters, and the last 3 will have to be numbers. Just so you know, when we're talking about letters, we're talking about N, A to Z. So you're going to have 26 different choices for the first 3 positions. The numbers, you can choose from 0 to 9. So that gives you 10 different choices or 10 different possibilities. So try it out. Think about how many different license plates are there using the generalized rule of counting. Good luck.